In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your reviews on Airbnb with this quick and easy guide. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can access your reviews in just a few clicks, even if you've never done this before. For the best experience, it's recommended that you use a computer, as the Airbnb mobile app, while convenient for many things, isn't optimal for accessing reviews. Let's begin by making sure you're logged into your Airbnb account on your computer. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile image. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, go ahead and select Profile. Please note, in my case, since I'm using a dummy account for tutorial purposes, I don't have any reviews yet, but I will show you images to let you know how it looks like. Now that you've navigated to your profile page, you'll quickly notice some key details at a glance. Right here, prominently displayed, are your overall star rating and the total number of reviews you've received. This gives you a snapshot of how others perceive their experiences with you, whether you're a host or a guest on the platform. To dive deeper into your individual reviews, just scroll down a bit until you reach the snippet section. This area gives you a taste of the feedback you've received. But of course, we're interested in seeing the whole picture. So to expand this section and explore all of your reviews in detail, simply click on Show More Reviews. Once you've done this, you'll notice two distinct tabs that organize your feedback. The first tab is for guest reviews, which you'll primarily look at if you're hosting. They showcase what your guests have said about their stay at your place. The second tab is for host reviews, which are incredibly useful if you've been traveling and staying at different locations. This section will detail the reviews left by hosts where you've stayed, giving you insights into their impressions of you as a guest. And there you have it. Navigating through Airbnb to access your reviews doesn't have to be complicated. We hope this guide helps you smoothly find the feedback you're looking for. Your reviews can be an invaluable resource, providing insight and learning opportunities, whether you're hosting visitors from afar or exploring the world yourself. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more handy tips to enhance your Airbnb experience. We appreciate you joining us today and wish you a wonderful day, no matter where you are. Until next time, bye.